So we've already given hundreds of these packets to local needy people, kindly donated by Gautam.
Hello, how are you?
There.
Good to see you.
Villa and Gautam there. And the beautiful ladies here are helping out. Very kindly, the Russian and Ukrainian communities. So they are going to be giving all this out. As I said, we've already done 100. We'll be doing 100 more now. So keep watching, guys. There's people standing in line already.
Just go and kind of take it all the way there.
रुको 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 रुको
So the point is over here, Ricky and me, pretty much thanks to Ricky, we've got this amazing venue. Otherwise, if
Very
it wasn't
modest.
for him, actually we would have had a problem giving it. As you can see, the weather, it's raining cats and dogs over here, and it's very difficult to find the venue to give out the food. And Ricky has actually gone ahead and been kind enough to organize everything, all the people to donate to all of us. He's organized the entire staff to come and help us to go ahead and distribute. Also, he's organized the the guys who came to actually, the people who sold us all the rations. So we are today we're giving food for approximately 60,000 meals. That's what we're giving right now. So if it wasn't for Ricky, it would not be possible, this entire thing. It's a very, very good thing that we are doing this because as you can see, there's a lot of poverty, and if one man can help 1,000, that's how it should be. And today, we are helping almost 50 to 60,000 people eat a meal on a daily basis. Very more importantly, it's I ask the people in Goa, whoever can, to actually come up and take arms and actually donate, do something with the Tito's Foundation over here, help them to feed the people over here, because as you can see, the tourism sector has been very, very badly hit in Goa. Not many people realize, but most of the hotels are shut down, or 99% of the hotels are shut down, 99% of the restaurants are shut down. The entire place is in, believe it or not, it's going to take some time to revive, and guys like Ricky will have to kind of get in there.
So I'm asking everyone to also come ahead forward and join us. You can donate online as well. I'll send you the links very soon. I'm sure we've all got enough to spare. And if you don't have enough to spare also, at least donate your time. Come and help us do the right thing. So we're going to start giving out the stuff now. We're just bringing in all the goods. They're all helping. We've also got medicines for the immune system, boosters from the government. Sidesh has brought this in, so we'll be donating that as well. You see, we're just trying to do as much as we can to help. Come join us, as I always say. It's nice. So, I think we're ready to start. Gautam, are we ready to start?
Yeah, we can. We can start off right away. अच्छा एक आदमी को भेजोगे वहाँ से एक आदमी को, and you get the bag. Ricky will start with passing the package.
Oh, I'll be able to.
No. Passing the package to him.
What do you think? Okay, I'll start.
As you can see, initially we are asking most of the elderly women to come in. इसमें तेल है और इसमें ये गोली है. You can send people in one at a time.
No, whatever.
ये लो put that down. अंदर ना
ये दवा है आइयो चलो मानो as you can see older generation is very strong yeah walk out
You know what I suggest? We put this over there.
I want to go
सैनिटाइज करा दो हाथ को ठीक है
ये दवा ले लो और ये दवा लो कितला लाईन पस्तीचा वय लाईन जुना
Somebody is in media, not any media.
Otherwise, there's only 8 left. So what we'll do with all the boys? आता तुम्ही काय करा नो
Only guys.
तुम्ही सोगल्या नो माटा तुम्ही इतला तुम्ही आयला आमचे मेन मेदार घाल नो हे सोगल्या वाटून
कितना बाकी है?
Which one are the boys? Some main
А, просто мужики, да, теперь они делят, да.
Main boss,